Hello everyone, so my pal. Where does the name for Pensarn come from? Or Pensarn in English? So, the name's made of two parts. Pen, which means the top or the end of something, and Sarn, which means a couple of things, but here means a causeway. Now, this area is quite famous in Welsh history as the site of quite a few battles against the Saxons and the English throughout history. And it's because it's kind of in a strategic place, right? It's where the flat land of the Clwyd and the Abergele meet the sort of mountainous, hilly land in Conwy County, which means that if you're trying to march an army across here to go to Gwynedd, for example, you kind of have to pass through this section anyway. So there's quite a few battles that took place here, and one of them's commemorated in a long poem. And I'll read you the poem, but it's going to have to be in a different video because it's a little bit long. Anyway, deal. I'll post it in a second. I'll post it just after this video. Subscribe for more and check out my link in my bio to get access to my Patreon if you want to support me in exploring all of the place names in Wales, or just check out my website and my other socials. Deal.